MyStakecom review: is MyStake legit or a scam? MyStakecom review: is MyStake legit or a scam? If you've been exploring online betting or casino platforms, you might have come across MyStakecom. But before depositing any money, you need to know, is this platform trustworthy, or is it a scam? Most people get this wrong by assuming all online casinos are risky. The surprising truth is that MyStakecom is generally considered a legitimate online betting platform. It offers a wide range of sports betting, casino games, and live dealer options. Payments are processed securely, and many users report successful withdrawals without issues. You won't believe what happens next. While the platform is legitimate, gambling always carries risk. Users should manage their budgets carefully and avoid chasing losses. Some customers have noted occasional delays in withdrawal times depending on payment methods, but these are not uncommon in online gaming platforms. For safe use, always check licensing information and read terms and conditions carefully. Make sure to use secure password and enable two-factor authentication if available. Responsible gambling practices are essential. In conclusion, MyStakecom is a legitimate platform for online betting and gaming. While there are inherent risks associated with gambling, the site itself is not a scam. By betting responsibly and understanding the rules, you can enjoy MyStake safely.